I want to revise one of the most interesting questions concerning the Vienna Settlement. Are we together? Right. So this question is very simplified. It is saying, on balance of power, the Vienna Settlement outweighed its failures. Discuss. Are we together? So whenever you are given a question in relation to the Vienna Settlement, you must always note that we have got only few principles. That is the principle of balance of power, principle of legitimatism, sharing the spoils, prevention of cannot maintaining peace for more than 20 days and whatsoever. So we have this ability whereby Zimsek or even Cambridge have the ability to ask such kind of a question whereby the question is linked to Vienna but only more focused on the balance of power. So in this case, the question interpretation, the question demands the candidates to review how the Vienna Settlement managed to achieve its failures, or managed to outweigh its failures, managed to remove its negativity from the eyes of the people using the balance of power. Nechishona trikuti Vienna Settlement yakakwanisa sei kuvharidzira kutadza kwayo ichishandisa balance of power. So for those who are watching online, if you are not yet followed the page, if you are not yet subscribing or whatsoever, please press the subscription button. Saka ipapapa takuda kutsvaga isusu kuti achievements at Vienna as a result of balance of power ndeapi. Then on the non-affirmative side, we are going to review kuti iyo balance of power yacho haina kutomboprova kuti ma-great power vane chavakagona pavakaenda kuVienna Settlement. And bearing in mind that Vienna Settlement ne-Congress system imhuka mbiri dzakasiyana, zvakangofanana nekuti cascade neiri kokwe, hazvina kumbobvira sort of Vienna ndo yakaita kuti kuuye Congress. But many candidates they mix up zvinhu vofunga kuti Congress inogona kunzi Congress of Vienna ndiyo futi Vienna Settlement. Asi ukaona takuti Congress system of 1815 to 1825 nyaya dzatosiyana. Right, so here we go. Our first point is denial. How are we going to explain this point, which is denoted peace? In this case, we are going to say that on the balance of power, the Vienna Settlement managed to outweigh its failures. Why? Because they managed to maintain peace in Europe. How peace was maintained? According to LCB Seaman, this is a historian, he stated that by merging Belgium and Holland, that was the creation of buffer zones. The great powers, they've managed to suppress the resurgence of another Napoleon, which means that they've managed to avoid another Napoleon from coming into existence within France, which means that since France was one of the countries which was initiating violence and continual war in Europe, by suppressing it neku create buffer zones. To someone asingazoti buffer zone chi, a buffer zone, for instance, ama yangu inawo yekuti, for example, toti South Africa yanetsa nehondo, zvinoita United Nations inotora Zimbabwe neMozambique neBotswana dzobatanidzwa dzoita nyika 1. Sadati South Africa iri ku southern part kwairo haikwanise kubuda neany means dzekuda kuita nharo. Inowana army yenyika 3 ichita kunge 1 dzakamirira. That's how prevention of another Napoleon was maintained and the peace was prevailed in Europe. And we witnessed that peace was maintained for more than 20 years. Furthermore, despite the issue that peace was maintained, we also prevented the domination of Prussia and Russia in the northern Europe. How it was achieved? It was achieved by giving 2/5 of Saxony to Prussia and 2/3 of the Grand Duchy of Warsaw to Russia. This was done such that if these two countries, they were not allowed or they were not given that room to have more colonies than the other. Because as they were now going to have more colonies, they were going to be dominant in terms of resources and power. So peace, balance of power, maintained peace, and they managed to suppress that ideology. Furthermore, there was the creation of independent states. And there were independent states that were created. Anakukupa erepanda kupa maasa. Switzerland was in Germany. They started to be independent on their own. And so this proved that they managed to outweigh their failure. Why? The failure of the great powers was a power greed. They were power hungry. So by giving independence to others, they are trying to achieve something before. Furthermore, what else did they do? There was free navigation within the sea. Before the Vienna Settlement, Britain was noted as the mother of the seas. But after the Vienna, everyone has the freedom to trade and to move within the seas. But according to Napoleon continental system, he did not want other countries to perform. All right. He did not want other countries to perform or to Europe. Furthermore, they managed to ban slavery, which was being maintained. By banning slavery, they outweigh their failure yekuti great powers vada kugara vane vanhu vanodzvinyirira. But in this case vakati aiwa slave trading ngaite sei ngaimixwe. Furthermore, they redraw the map of Europe to that of 1792, where all countries that were once under the suppression of Napoleon, they were given freedom. And this proved that balance of power, it was a pillar of strength to the weaknesses of the great powers. However, even though we've mentioned that the achievements of the great powers were outlooked or they were displayed by the Vienna Settlement, one cannot forget to notify the negative ideologies that were noticed through the balance of power. For instance, there was unfair distribution of territories. Britain gained more than other countries. It gained the whole Mediterranean Sea, Western Indies, Base Barrier, and all other countries. Further apart, they ignored the principle of liberalism and nationality as they were installing the buffer zones. Britain and Belgium and Holland, they were different in terms of their religion, in terms of their language, in terms of their culture. But according to H.O. Peacock, they ignored all that. Why? Because they wanted to impose their self-interest of maintaining power by preventing the resurgence of another Napoleon. And above all, smaller states were suppressed. For instance, Italy was given rulership under Austria and as well as Germany. So they did not gain freedom. Furthermore, there was a lack of independence and lack of, for example, Saxon was put under the control of Prussia. It means that balance of power is not being maintained. Furthermore, those Saka, I don't know, those who cut them. So, though my issues are. So, for those who are watching online, this marks the end of our lesson. For more information, you can subscribe, you can like, you can follow. And thank you very much. You can contact the number on the screen. So, though my issues are you up. Can I name for the